Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change who can see your posts on Facebook. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Facebook and click on the three lines on the top right. And you can either click on the settings cog again on the top right, or you can go down to settings and privacy. Once you've tapped on there, you should see settings at the top, so you want to click on that. Then just scroll down until you come to audience and visibility, and then you want to click on posts. Once you're on there, you want to select who can see your future posts, and this will just give you a range of options. You can have public, friends accept certain people, or you can just select specific friends as well, and you can also select only me. So once you're happy with that, just select save, and that will change who can see your posts on Facebook. Thanks for watching.